Campanile di Giotto, the Bell Tower. Giotto's Campanile is a freestanding bell tower that is part of the complex of buildings that make up Florence Cathedral, on the Piazza del Duomo in Florence. Standing adjacent to the Basilica of Santa Maria del Fiore, and the Baptistery of St. John, the tower is one of the showpieces of Florentine Gothic architecture, with its design by Giotto, its rich sculptural decorations, and its polychrome marble encrustations. The slender structure is square in plan, with 14.45-meter sides. It is 84.7 meters tall and has polygonal buttresses at each corner. The tower is divided into 5 stages. Once you reach the top, having successfully avoided the tourists coming in the opposite direction, you are rewarded with views across the city to the hills beyond.